Okay, so let's start with the mechanism now. This is where the Tic-Tacs normally are. As you can see right now, nothing is working because the gray bar is blocking the dispenser from moving. Okay, so let's put in our coin, and this lifts up the gray bar, which allows us to dispense the candy, and then after that reload the machine. The coin doesn't fall into the coin bank immediately because at first there's a red plate blocking it, but as we dispense the candy, that red plate moves away, which allows for reloading and for another round.